right, the new Flippin Fantastic. It promises perfect pancakes. It's fun to say. Best as grandma makes, right, in minutes. But is it fantastic or is it a fail?
Our consumer reporter, Kristen Severance, puts it to the spend it or save it test.
Fort Worth celebrity chef John Bonnell is known for five-star cuisine. But Saturday mornings,
eggs, bacon, pancakes, coming up.
Breakfast comes from a box.
So you're not too good for Bisquick.
Bisquick works just fine.
He says the key to a perfect pancake,
This is what I'm looking for.
an R2-D2 spatula,
You and me.
and commit before you flip.
You gotta get it right under there.
A new product
Flippin Fantastic, the fast, easy, and fun way to make perfect pancakes.
promises to make breakfast a breeze. You put the Flippin Fantastic in a preheated pan.
Now just lift and flip. That's it.
Bonnell agreed to put it to the spend it or save it test.
The Flippin Fantastic. Uh-oh. And it came kind of folded and rolled up taco shell style.
He bent it the other way to try to make it flat, poured in the batter, and let them cook.
Sorry, R2. Looks like we're not gonna need you on this one.
When it was time to flip,
They all came up, and some of them came out.
it was kind of a flop.
This is not.
Not Flippin Fantastic.
No, it's
No,
not.
the word that comes to mind.
The pancakes did not look like they do in the infomercial.
The sides were up a little bit. So a lot of the batter went around the edges and stuck to the bottom here.
Do you want to try eggs?
Sure.
But first, he had to clean it.
To clean, simply rinse or rack in the dishwasher.
Although that wasn't so fantastic either. The batter got stuck in the product's tiny holes.
The secret is this non-stick silicone ring.
Non-stick my butt.
After finally getting it clean,
We'll give it a shot.
it was time to try eggs. The infomercial promises
Go sunny side up or flip them for over easy.
he cracked eggs in all 7 holes.
It's already coming out on the sides. This is looking like a nice big hot mess.
Another flip
What's the point?
and another flop.
You couldn't even flip one.
It's a flipping mess. Now, the eggs ran out of the side. It doesn't have a good enough seal with the pan for the eggs to go anywhere.
After an apology to his old friend,
Should have never doubted you. Never let me down before.
we had to ask.
$14.95. Would you spend it or save it?
Save it in a heartbeat. This is not worth it.
Poor R2-D2.
I know. That was Kristen Severance reporting. So, Merry Christmas.
Oh my gosh, you are such a giver. Thank you so much. I promise not to regift it.
If she says save it, that's what we do.